Panoorin ang mapait na sinapit ng Japanese fighter pagkatapos niyang hamakin ang kanyang kalaban na isang Thailander. Sa videong ito, mapapanood kung paano niyang minamak, tinotaunt itong kanyang kalabang Thailand fighter. Ito ang nangyari. Panoorin.
After the ruthless Thai fighter pummeled this arrogant man, he was no longer as cocky as before. His expression turned serious, and he finally took the fight seriously. But the fuse was already lit. All that awaited him was the cold, relentless revenge of the Thai warrior.